Alright guys, we're going to be doing a little bit of rigs and rods. And I am going to show you some buses. First I gotta drive back to the garage or bus I'm currently in. It's an international mod. This is a mod one. It has LED, amber, and red. It has that little bar thing, and it does have an LED stop sign, but they're called stop arms. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of buses that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using all of them. I plan on using this bus mostly, the LED 2015 with the under. Now the difference between this one has the underground. Not underground. The storage unit underneath attached to the bus. Now these two are 2006 Internationals with double stop signs. They do not have LED lights. Well, actually, this one ain't 2006. This one is 2009. And the difference is that one. Regular. Now, as you can see, I'm going to type in Thomas, and it comes up with the HV's activity. There's one with LED. There's one with non-LED. Same thing with school bus. Now, safety liner. LED indicated. It's just fast. So we're gonna remove that vehicle. Now I'm gonna show you one that I really like. Stop on. Basically a stop on it. You don't see the lights on here. Here, I'll show you on the Bluebird. Now this one's in beta. I can't think of the modder, but the stop sign. It it looks like this. The word stop blinks on the one Thomas I want you to see. So yeah, this is just like a test showing you all the vehicles. I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah. Now the difference between the 2006, I'm going to show you on this one. Instead of it flashing on the dash and where the high beam thing is, it flashes right there on the. I'm going to show you on It flashes in the center on these two, and then it flashes in through them on there. So yeah, thanks for watching.